Hi, Eric. Today's story is called A Windy Day.
A Windy Day, illustrated by Eric Kincaid. It is a windy day. Grandma is washing her sheets. Pipkin is helping her. The wind will soon blow the sheets dry, says Grandma. Grandma is waiting for the next peg. Can you go a little faster, she asks. Grandma is called away. There are still 2 sheets left to hang up. Pipkin has an idea. Pipkin asks Grandpa to help. This is not as easy as it looks, says Grandpa. The wind is playing tricks. It is pulling at the pegs. The pegs are getting loose. The wind blows very hard. The pegs fly into the air like birds. Pipkin can see what is going to happen. Look out, Grandpa, he shouts. He is too late. Before Grandpa can move, a flying sheet wraps itself around him. Help, shouts Grandpa. The more Pipkin tries to untangle Grandpa, the more tangled Grandpa gets. Grandma screams. She thinks Pipkin is fighting with a ghost. Don't be afraid, says Pipkin. It's only Grandpa. Get me out of here, shouts Grandpa. Grandma takes charge. Keep still, she says to Grandpa. Unwind that way, she says to Pipkin. Are you all right? asks Pipkin. I think so, says Grandpa. Grandma takes the sheet to wash it again. Look up there, gasps Pipkin. What shall we do, Grandpa? Grandma will be cross if she sees the sheet on the roof. They must do something quickly. Hurry up, whispers Pipkin. I am hurrying, whispers Grandpa. Grandpa has hidden the sheet. There it is. Grandpa makes sure the sheet will not blow away again. He pushes the pegs down very hard. The wind cannot pull the pegs off. Grandma cannot pull the pegs off either. Pipkin goes to get Grandpa. How is your sweater like that? Asks Grandma. Grandpa and Pipkin know, but they are not telling. The end.